Welcome to English Quizler. Are you ready to test your English grammar skills? I've got some quick and fun questions for you. Each one has 3 options. Think fast, drop your answers in the comments, and let's see how many you get right. And before we start, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more grammar quizzes. Now let's jump in. Which sentence do you think is correct? What's the correct verb to fill in the blank? Can you spot the adjective here? Which article should be used? What's the right form of the verb here? Do you know the plural of child? Which tense fits this sentence best? What's the correct comparative form of good? Which pronoun should complete this sentence? Which one is in the past tense? What's the opposite of hot? Which preposition is correct here? What's the correct verb form to complete this sentence? Which one is a proper noun? Can you choose the correct spelling? Which is the correct way to ask this question? Which modal verb should we use? Which sentence is grammatically correct? What's the plural form of mouse? What's the past form of teach? Which conjunction fits best here? Which sentence is in the future tense? Which word is an interjection? Which verb form is correct for this fact? What's the superlative form of happy? Which auxiliary verb is correct here? What's the past participle of, right? Which sentence sounds correct? Which word order is right? What's the correct verb form for this situation? Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.